everybody. We're going to diagnose this lawnmower, aren't we, dogs? So the customer says it's just not running right. Let's take a look here. I do notice that there is some oil right there, which could be coming from the air filter. That's about the only thing I notice odd. So I'm going to zero right in on that air filter. Well, first let's start it up and see how it runs. There we go. Oh, yeah, right like that.
Baseball park.
Okay. So that's about all it will do. So what's that sound like to you, boys? I bet you anything, because there's that oil there, that we have an air filter that's plugged with oil. Let's see. Max likes being my assistant here. He always looks for mice. We had a mouse jump out, and he's forever searching for mice now. And yeah, you know, look at that air filter. That thing is definitely oiled up. So let's pull it out. And there's even oil in there, but I bet you it's going to run a lot better now. Let's take a look. Oh, sorry, I don't know where my tripod's at, so we're going this way. How do you know if your lawnmower needs a new air filter? Well, if your lawnmower is not running very well and you look at your air filter and you can tell this air filter here is actually saturated with oil. Max can't believe it. It's saturated with oil compared to a filter that is just like paper. It's a paper filter, so once it gets soaked with oil, it can't flow air anymore. And this one, I mean, oil is just everywhere, so that's how you tell. And you look and you see oil inside there too, so you'll want to wipe that up. And that's how you tell.